Good day, everybody. Here's the hair we have today that we're gonna trim, make it medium short, high tapered. Okay.
How often do you have to sharpen those blades?
I've been telling everybody because of the online hair cutting plan. Clippers blade now are self-sharpening. All you do is run it every now and then, like you're not using it all the time, maybe run it every month or every 2 weeks, depending where you are, because if you get rust, then the blade will not cut. It has to be even all the time. But if you get rusted, it will make it uneven. And yeah, there's blade sharpeners, but I think if you're running it every now and then regularly, you may not need the sharpener. Yeah. But they have a sharpener that you can buy and use it to sharpen your blades. I believe you don't need to do that.
This is the comfortable chair. I don't almost go to sleep in here. Looks like I have a lot more gray hair this time.
Well, it's like what I was telling the guys who are starting to get gray hair, and just like you don't like it, you know. So I said, Pastor, seems like you know better than God, huh? No. Why did you say that? Well, see, as you're starting to get old, God wants you to have gray hair because He knows what is right for all of us. Oh, well, it's my wife. We laugh. Yeah, you're like Adam. What? You're like Adam blaming Eve. If it's not Eve who gave the fruit, he didn't commit sin. And it's like even blaming God. You give me Eve, that's why. we laugh. I think gray is good. That way, you are not worried about solutions that your body may not like. Allergies. Just to say, well,
Oh, yeah.
does not only make your scalp, your face, ears, neck itchy, but it could go down to your eyeballs. Really? Yeah, that's what they said. So careful. No, I never tried. Although my wife. No, she stopped. Okay. That's all for the hair. Okay, let's see what we got, sir.
Yeah, that cleaned it up good.
Thank you. No sign of balding.
No balding yet.
I don't think it's gonna do it anytime. It'll be like this forever, I think. So whatever you do, keep it up.
Well, the other thing I do is just keep on moving.
Yes. Some of us, I don't know. Sometimes I blame on what we drink, what we eat. It's just like the gout, the arthritis. You eat the wrong food, it'll get you. It'll remind you.
Yep.
So maybe the same thing with this. Thinning hair, losing hair.
Could be.
So, why did I hate that? Why? You see, look at that. Thomas here falling off again. There you go without the cover.
Very good. Yep.
All right.
You got it.
Okay.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
You are most welcome, sir. Oh, thank you for watching.